Every task a computer does is done by using a computer program. A computer program is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. It is written in a programming language such as C++, Java, etc. In this animation, we will understand basics of Java programming using BlueJ. BlueJ is a free Java development environment designed for beginners. This software is used by millions of people worldwide. BlueJ is basically an integrated development environment, IDE. It consists of tools such as an editor, a debugger, and a viewer. An editor is a tool that you can use to write your Java programs. A debugger is a tool that will identify the mistakes in the Java programs. A viewer is a tool that will help you to view parts of your program graphically. Apart from these tools, BlueJ offers an easy way to run Java programs. It also helps you to view documentation of your program or application. You can run BlueJ on both the platforms, Windows and Mac. To run BlueJ program on Windows 7, you need to click Start, select All Programs, and then click BlueJ. Once you start BlueJ, you can write a Java program by creating a BlueJ project. Steps to create the new Java project are as follows. Step 1. Go to Project menu of BlueJ IDE and select New Project. Step 2. In the File Selection dialog box, specify the name and location for the new project. Step 3. Click Create. Step 4. A project folder gets created. BlueJ main window will display a new empty project. After you create new project, you need to add a new class to your project. You need to do this as all the functionalities are written inside classes. Follow these steps to add a new class to the project. Step 1. Open your project window where you want to add the class. Step 2. Add the class. There are two ways to add class. Either click New Class button on Project toolbar or click New Class command on Edit menu. Step 3. The Create New Class dialog box will appear. Provide a name for the class and click OK. Step 4. You will see a new icon with stripes appear on your project window. The stripes indicate that the class has not been compiled yet. Next step is to write a class code. To write or edit the class code, you need to double-click the class icon. This will open an editor window. This window will have a class skeleton code. You can make desired changes to the code and then compile the class. Another way to open the editor is right-click the class icon and select Open Editor. After the Java code is written in the class, class source code needs to be compiled or translated in BlueJ. To do this, right-click the class icon and select Compile. You will notice that the stripes on the class gets disappeared, indicating that class has been compiled. If you have opened your class code in the editor window, then you can compile the class by clicking the Compile button on the top of the editor window. Once you have written and compiled the code, next step is to save your code. Generally, you don't have to explicitly save the code. The BlueJ editor automatically saves your code before the editor is closed or before compilation of the code. However, you can also save it by using the Save option in the Editor class menu. Now let us learn how to create objects in BlueJ. Follow these steps to create object of a class. Step 1. To create object of a class, first compile the class. Step 2. Right-click the class and select New Class Name. Step 3. Create Object dialog box will appear. Specify the name of the new object and click OK. Step 4. New object gets created and will be shown in the object bench as an icon. In BlueJ, you can test classes individually as soon as you write the code. There is no need to write the complete application first. To test your class, you need to execute the created object first and then invoke any of the object's public methods. Now let us try to write and execute a simple code. First, let us edit our class and add the following method to it. Now your class 1 should look like this. Now compile this code and create its object as obj1. Next, to execute the method, say hello, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click object, Object1 icon and select the name of the object, say hello. Step 2. Result will be displayed in the terminal window as shown on the screen. The method main. As you noticed, in BlueJ you can execute any method of the class by creating an object. However, if you want to run your Java program outside Java, then your program may compile but not run. You need to add a method main to execute the Java code. Syntax of the main code looks like this. Please note that all these keywords are in lowercase except for string. In a Java standalone program, the execution starts from main. So, you need to execute any method through main. You can execute main method by right-clicking the class icon. It will show a dialog box. Click OK if no value is to be passed to main. Click each answer in the answer box and then click the blank space next to the appropriate question. Click Submit to confirm your answers. Let us summarize what we have learnt in this animation.